Okay, we're going to rock out real quick some microwave sweet potatoes. You don't have to wait a long time and heat up the oven. You can do things quick. Or you could pre-cook these potatoes, which I like to do in the microwave. You freeze them, and then you only have to microwave them for, 30 seconds. So here we got some sweet potatoes real quick, because I'm going to make these right now because they're going to accompany a meal I'm having. It's going to be a side. Cut them in half. And these are some special sweet potatoes. I don't remember exactly which ones they were. So there you go. Now we're going to toss them in the microwave. Three minutes and we're done. Cooked. That's all it takes. You can make some quick, fast, nutritious sides for your meals so that you don't have excuse, because the reason people wind up eating junk food or packaged foods is because they don't have time and I have to heat up the oven and cut this and wait 25 minutes, 30 minutes. Microwave them in advance, put them in the freezer, and then you only have to cook them for 30 seconds. And then what we're going to do to preserve the sweet potato that I cut up is we're going to take a little bit of vinegar, balsamic vinegar. See, you got it labeled just in case you've lost your memory or your mind. But it's best to be organized. So we throw a little balsamic vinegar in here, and that will naturally preserve this potato and make it last significantly longer. Enjoy some delicious snacks